Welcome back to CarWow 787, your trusted source for in-depth automotive insights and reviews. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of high-performance sedans with an exclusive look at the upcoming 2026 BMW M5. This iconic model has long been the benchmark for blending luxury and performance, and the 2026 iteration promises to elevate that legacy even further. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore the M5's interior innovations and the symphony of sounds that define its driving experience. So buckle up as we embark on this 18-minute journey into the heart of BMW's latest masterpiece. The BMW M5 has always been a symbol of engineering excellence, combining the comfort of a luxury sedan with the performance of a sports car. The 2026 model continues this tradition, introducing cutting-edge technologies and design elements that cater to both driving enthusiasts and those seeking refined elegance. Let's talk interior. The cabin of the 2026 M5 is a testament to BMW's commitment to luxury and driver-centric design. Let's delve into the key features that make this interior both functional and opulent. The M5's interior is designed to provide maximum comfort without compromising on the sporty feel. The M multifunction seats come standard with lumbar support, ensuring both driver and passengers experience optimal comfort during long drives. These seats are upholstered in extended merino leather, offering a supple and luxurious feel. For those seeking additional comfort, options like front ventilated seats and heated rear seats are available, catering to various climate conditions and personal preferences. BMW has always prioritized the driver's experience, and the 2026 M5 is no exception. The sport-heated leather steering wheel equipped with auto tilt-away functionality ensures a comfortable grip and optimal driving position. The steering wheel also features integrated controls, allowing the driver to manage various functions without taking their hands off the wheel. The inclusion of a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster provides real-time information, customizable to display navigation, performance metrics, and more, ensuring the driver stays informed without distraction. At the heart of the M5's interior lies the advanced infotainment system. The 14.9-inch central infotainment touchscreen powered by BMW's latest iDrive software offers seamless integration with smartphones through wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This system ensures that drivers and passengers can access their favorite apps, music, and navigation tools effortlessly. The intuitive interface, combined with voice-activated controls, allows for hands-free operation, enhancing safety and convenience. The 2026 M5 SE interior showcases a meticulous selection of materials, reflecting BMW's dedication to luxury. The cabin features high-quality finishes, including available carbon fiber trim, which adds a sporty yet sophisticated touch. The flat-bed steering wheel and large shift paddles enhance the sporty ambiance, while the red driver controls and metal pedals emphasize the car's performance-oriented nature. These thoughtful design elements create an environment that is both luxurious and performance-focused. To elevate the driving experience, the M5 offers customizable ambient lighting, allowing occupants to tailor the cabin atmosphere to their preferences. This feature enhances the sense of luxury and personalization. Additionally, the premium audio system delivers crystal-clear sound, ensuring that whether you're on a spirited drive or a relaxed cruise, your favorite music accompanies you in high fidelity. A significant aspect of the M5's allure is its auditory experience. The 2026 model continues this tradition, offering a sound profile that excites and engages. Under the hood, the M5 houses a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine delivering an impressive 617 horsepower. This powerhouse not only provides exhilarating acceleration but also produces a distinctive exhaust note that resonates with enthusiasts. The quad exhaust pipes emit a deep, throaty growl under acceleration, transforming into a refined purr at cruising speeds. This dynamic sound profile ensures that the M5 is as thrilling to listen to as it is to drive. For those who appreciate the mechanical symphony of a high-performance engine, the M5 delivers subtle yet satisfying intake and turbo spool sounds. These auditory cues provide feedback on the engine's performance, enhancing the connection between driver and machine. Enthusiasts often seek to amplify these sounds through aftermarket modifications, but the stock setup offers a harmonious balance suitable for most drivers. BMW employs active sound design technology to enhance the cabin's auditory experience. This system subtly amplifies desirable engine sounds through the vehicle's speakers, ensuring that occupants enjoy the full spectrum of the M5's performance acoustics without intrusive noise. The result is an immersive experience that complements the car's dynamic capabilities. The 2026 BMW M5 exemplifies the harmonious blend of luxury, technology, and performance. Its interior innovations cater to comfort and convenience, ensuring that every journey is pleasurable. Simultaneously, the meticulously engineered sound profile engages the senses, reminding occupants of the formidable machine they command. Whether you're an enthusiast seeking exhilaration or a driver desiring refined elegance, the M5 delivers on all fronts. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2026 BMW M5's interior and sound experience. If you found this video informative and engaging, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow automotive enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel name and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. We value your feedback, so let us know your thoughts on the new M5 in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about the road ahead.